Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS to record your screen along with audio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the Scenes panel and click the plus icon. This will prompt you to create a new scene, so go ahead and type in a name like Screen Recording, then click OK. Creating a dedicated scene helps you organize different recording setups and makes it easier to switch between them later. Now that your scene is set up, navigate to the Sources section in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click the plus icon here, and from the menu that appears, select Display Capture. This option allows OBS to record everything that's happening on your screen in real time. A new window will pop up where you can rename the display capture if you'd like, or simply leave it as is and click OK to proceed. Next, look for the display option in the window that appears. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your preferred display from the list. This is particularly useful if you're working with multiple monitors and want to choose which screen to record. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm. Back in the Sources section at the bottom left, click the plus icon again, but this time select Audio Input Capture from the menu. This step is essential because it enables OBS to capture audio from your microphone while recording your screen. Click OK to continue. You'll now see a device option with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and select your microphone from the list of available audio devices. After selecting your mic, click OK to apply the settings. To confirm everything is working properly, you should now see the mic/aux meter moving whenever you speak. This visual indicator lets you know that OBS is successfully picking up your audio input. Now, let's fine-tune your recording settings. In the upper left corner of the screen, click File, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Settings window opens, navigate to the left panel and click on Output. Here, you have the option to adjust both your video bitrate and audio bitrate. Higher bitrates generally result in better quality recordings, but they also create larger file sizes, so choose settings that match your needs and available storage. After making your adjustments, click Apply first to save your changes, then click OK to close the settings window. You're now ready to start recording. In the right panel of the OBS interface, simply click Start Recording to begin capturing your screen and audio. OBS will record everything you've configured, including your display and microphone input. When you're finished, click Stop Recording to end the session and save your file. And that's it! You've successfully set up OBS to record your screen with audio, giving you full control over your recording quality and settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.